Okay, I had some people in my email tell me that they'd like me to do some more examples of tunes that you can do to my lyrics. One is House of the Rising Sun. I started to do the other day. It was terrible. I apologize. And maybe it's Bobby McGee. I'm not sure which one it was, but here you are back again at Max's Garage Mahal. Let's see. House of the Rising Sun. Welcome to Max's Garage Mahal. Come on in, one and all. Take a seat and stay a while. We're going to try to make you smile. Okay, so for my old buddy Michael Jesse's YouTube channel, got something for him here he might really like. Now this little deal right here, let me get the light, turn on this thing here and adjust it out here. Alright, now I'm hand holding this thing, so anyway, it's not that great, and I can't do the zoom with this right hand. So maybe you can see that. This will keep that dry, Michael. It's a real simple deal. You just pull that off of one of those really nice, expensive, don't let your wife catch you. Pull that off one of them really nice, expensive timers that you put outside for high voltage and high amperage. And then, boy, you can get right in there. You can open this right up, pull that lid up right there, and you can just get right into those fuses. Now, by the way, I just want you to know, Michael, you ain't got to do that, because to be honest with you, I'm not going to do it either. I just wanted you to see it. So anyway, hang on a minute. Let me get that off of there. It is a pretty neat little deal. Look here, Michael. You can open that up just like I said. Check it out. And I wanted to show you this real quick. What I was talking about on your channel is if you see this thing right here, this deal I'm pointing at right here, all that is a piece of silicone. You can get stuff like that off of ink pens, all kinds of places. As a matter of fact, I think that came off an ink pen. Let me zero in a little bit better so you can see that. And there you go. Let me get down a little closer. I think that all it is right there is one of those ink pen finger grips on one of those gigantic ink pens. So you can pull something like that off. Main thing is that'll cover this positive stud. That way you don't have to worry about it shorting out. Okay, so that's out of the way. The ideal for this video was I wanted to show y'all something. All you guys, those X marks and various high dollar lawnmowers, it's always making fun of me. And that's okay, because I'm not one of those guys got a lot of money, so I sort of get by with this old cheap Hustler lawnmower here. It's a pretty good lawnmower, I'm going to tell you right now though. So, guys, if you really want to line up those cuts and not waste that extra, I've got a 5-foot deck. As you can see, it tells you right there. That is a 60-inch cut, and that don't mean 60 years old. That means 60-inch cut. It just don't say inch on there. So I'm going to show you what I think is the best way, and this is what I'm doing from now on, is I've got a laser guide on mine. Now I want y'all to see that. Now you can see it okay in the daytime. You can see it that well while you're riding it, but let's look at it at night. Check that out. Man, that sucker go out there 300 feet. Well, I'm just kidding. It'll probably go out there, I bet it'd go out there 60, 70 feet. But look at it again on the side of that deck. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that's sexier than a John Deere tractor right there. Anyway, I wanted to show you that, guys. And it is just a joke, just like the deal over here on this thing from Michael. Michael, you can do something like this. I'm going to tell you what I saved this for. And I actually did swipe this off the bride's, lovely bride. I swiped that off of her timer. And she finally figured it out. As you can see, I made cutouts in it here to fit over something. And it works really well. What I did is I put that on a model airplane that flies, a remote control airplane. So you can make things out of all kinds of stuff. And what goes behind this is the camera. So it worked really well until this got a little too close to the ground on a couple occasions. Camera didn't make it. The airplane was just fine. And it sort of scratched up, as you can see here, it scratched up the bell on the front, so it doesn't really make a... So I got to wait till she's not looking and get another one off for another airplane, or another timer put on the airplane. But anyway, that's another story. So we just want to see this, and I want you to see that laser right there. Now that, guys, that's the cherries right there. Now I'm telling you, that's the way to cut a yard and keep from overlapping 12 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches. You can overlap 2 inches, got that cut made. So anyway, y'all might want to try that. get you a laser, and those X mark lasers, y'all ain't got nothing on these little cheap Hustler Raptors, so get you one of them, then you'll have a true X mark laser. So we appreciate you guys coming by, and get those songs made, those lyrics, get in there and enter that clock contest, and sing them songs, put it in the comments down below so other people can listen to them as well, have a little fun with them. Y'all have fun with it, and we hope somebody will win that clock on March 31st, 2019. And you pick the color. We've got black, silver. We've got, when we can get them, we have red, which a lot of people, Toros and those other brands, lawnmowers with red paint on them, they like the Ferris guys. I had a couple guys tell me they love that red color. So if you happen to be a Ferris operator or a Toro operator, and I've got a red one, then that's what you'll get when you win. So y'all be sure and enter. It's really simple. The rules are in the bottom of that clock contest video, so I'll put a link in there to it right down there so that you can get to it. Go by and see it, like, subscribe, share, and do your little ditty, and we'll see you down the road. We appreciate you very much. Thank y'all for coming by Max's Garage Mahal. Y'all come back and see me now, you hear?